Bago tayo magsimula, ipopromote ko lang ang aking online shop sa Shopee at sa TikTok, Miss the Queen PH. Meron po tayong mga power bracelets na ako mismo yung gumawa. So meron tayong mga bracelets for attracting money and abundance, mga pampaswerte. And then meron din tayong bracelets for protection, anti-evil eye, anti-inggit, and also for balancing your chakra. Meron din tayong bracelets for intuition, wisdom, courage, communication, clarity, and love. So lahat po ng ating bracelets ay meron ng kasamang pouch, instruction leaflet, and extra string. Ayan, meron din tayong mga intention oils and spell jar for prosperity and protection. So lahat po ng items ay cleansed and intention set na siya specifically to the buyer. So available to sa Shopee at sa TikTok shop. Link on the description. Thank you so much and happy shopping! Aquarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for October 2 to 8, 2023. General reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus para sa iba pang mensahe, and thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, you have the power to create your own reality. So gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Okay? Let's see what's up. What's coming to you, Aquarius? October 2 to 8 for Aquarius. The Magician. You're stepping into your own power. Maaring marami kang madidiscover pa about yourself. You also have the Ace of Cups. Something that's going to be very close to your heart. Yung madidiscover mo. This can be a new talent, a new hobby, or anything na parang skills, pwede rin yun. There's also communication from someone. You have the Five of Swords. A lot of competition. I'm seeing someone na nai-insecure sa yung galing. Nai-insecure sa talents mo, nai-insecure sa skills mo. Pwedeng sa trabaho yan, or someone na kakompetensya mo sa negosyo. You have the Judgment card. Itong mga mga tao na nakikipagkompetensya sa iyo, pwedeng mga kakilala mo to na malapit sa iyo, can be friends mo talaga, but deeper than them, they are like in competition of your yung mga success mo, mga na-achieve mo. And they will be revealed, no? Makikita mo yan, ma-realize mo yan. Pwedeng magkakaroon ng challenge with someone, like sa kaibigan mo, doon mo ma-realize na kaya pala siya ganito, ganyan ang pagtrato sa'yo is because jealous of your success. What is the Magician? What is the Magician? The Ace of Swords. Mahilig kayo mag-aral. Oo. You are very interested in mga bagay na pwedeng hindi interesado yung iba doon. But for you, you like to learn. You like new ideas. You like to learn something new. What is the Ace of Cups? The Emperor. Someone here, I feel like meron kang admirer. Can be someone who is merong mataas na katungkulan, or someone is very established. Kaya siguro parang nagkakaroon ng jealousy among you, your friends, kasi parang yung attention nasa iyo. So example, sa trabaho, ikaw yung laging pinipraise ng boss mo, kasi you're really talented, you're working really hard, and then may mga co-workers ka na sasabihin sa'yo na, oh, congratulations, yada, yada, yada. Pero, they are competitive of you. They think that you are that they are better than you, na you don't deserve it. Mga ganon. What is the Five of Swords? The Hierophant. Yeah, I feel like sinasabi nila na hindi ka naman ganun kagaling. I don't know. But it seems na parang binabahiran siya ng mali siya, no? Pwede tong specific, this can be a specific scenario para sa iba sa inyo na meron sa inyo na nagiging, parang lumalabas na nagiging favorite ka ng boss mo because you're doing really well sa trabaho, you're very talented, and then nakikita nila, parang yung ibang katrabaho mo, they see you as a threat, lalo na kung bago ka pa lang sa work or hindi ka pa ganun ka natatagalan, and may mga mas senior sa'yo and mas nasasapawan mo sila. Knight of Pentacles. So this is stability in your finances. I think whatever you are doing right now, as long as you put your energy to it, yung passion mo, you can never go wrong. Oo. Magtutuloy-tuloy yung success for you. But just be careful. Protect your energies. There are some people na against you or they don't want you to become successful. Where is this going? Two of Cups, Two of Pentacles, and the Three of Wands. Okay, so kung merong person talaga na very interested sa'yo romantically, pwede tong mauwi sa seryosong relationship that will grow, no? Merong malaki yung potential ng relationship na to na mag-grow. Syempre kung kung yung boss mo to and your boss is already in a situation na maging maingat na lang sa mga ganon kasi syempre ayaw mo naman na magkaroon ka ng issue sa trabaho. But if wala naman problema, I think this relationship will blossom, no? Some of you, meron din kayong opportunity to parang may contract signing dito Oo. Pwedeng sa business or meron kang bagong role na magli-lead sa'yo sa bagong posisyon sa trabaho, sa career mo. Observer, be more sensitive sa mga nasa paligid mo. Oo, kasi makikita mo dyan kung sino talaga yung totoo sa'yo. Imagine, this is about your creativity. I think you're going to be more creative, you're going to use your talents and skills, and yun yung way mo to achieve your goals, your dreams. You're going to be more popular or someone na magaling dyan sa field na kinabibilangan mo. Okay? Let's see, ano pa? It's like you are finally achieving your goals and dreams. You have the moon in Taurus in the second house, exaltation. There's a lot of happiness. Second house is also your values, your talents. So I think ito na yung time na mas inilalabas mo na yung talento mo, yung galing mo. You're not holding back. You're showing the world the real you. And you have the Venus in Cancer in the fourth house, which is giving birth to a new idea, a new opportunity. So there's a new beginning for you. This can be a new project, a new career. Some of you naman, pwedeng meron kayong ma-accomplish na matagal nyo ng pinag-ipunan. Can be a new home. Sa trabaho, yun, showing diplomacy. Is going to maintain you a good relationship with others. So, pagdating sa work, hayaan mo sila mag-gossip about you. You don't need to confront them as long as wala naman silang pinapakitang like aggressiveness para sa'yo. May limit ka lang na hindi mo kailangang i-share lahat sa kanila. Yung mga plans mo because they might take that against you. Pakikisama. That's the most important thing in your career, in your job. Flirting. Someone is really flirting with you, showing interest in you. Just be careful lang sa intentions nito sa'yo. Oo, pakiramdaman mo. And maging maingat ka rin sa mga pag-share mo sa iba regarding this connection. Kasi pwedeng this may take, this may, take it against you. Oo, pwedeng i-chismis ka or what. But, I know you know better. Marunong kang magkumilatis ng ibang tao. So, gamitin mo yung galing mo na yan pagdating sa pakikipag-relationship. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aquarius. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Aquarius. See you again.